Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find removed member on your Telegram group. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! By default, when you remove someone from your Telegram chat, whether it's a group or channel, they are automatically banned and cannot rejoin unless the ban is lifted. And here's how to find the remove member from your Telegram group. It's so simple. So first we have to open our Telegram. Now we can open your group. Open the group info. Tap on the pencil icon on the top of your group here. You can scroll down. You can choose on permissions. You can see there is an option remove the users. You can tap on that. So here's the list of users that you remove from the group by admin. They can't rejoin this group again until you delete this member from this list. So if you've removed them from this remove users list, they will be able to rejoin your group again. It's so simple, right? So that is how to find removed users on Telegram groups. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!